Hello everyone, it's me Sami. Welcome back. On today's video, I will got you how can you download Free Fire in RO and PC. Um, if you have high-end PC, you have much ability to download it also. Okay, so to download it, at first, open any browser, Microsoft. Um, I forgot the name of Microsoft browser. Okay. So then search for Memu emulator. Okay, search Memu emulator. Okay, here is it. Click the first website you have, and my sorry for the low speed net connection. Please compromise. Okay, it's open. Now click on download and download the setup file from here. The setup file will be 150 MBs. Okay, here is the setup file of memory 9. Run the setup file, and then you got then download the menu. That will be of 700 MBs. Okay, then run the menu play. Run the menu play. After downloading the entire menu, you will got multi-menu and menu application. Two applications. Run it as administrator. Okay, wait a few times. It goes with of 12 to 13 seconds. If you got a high configured PC, or if your PC is low end, you will wait a couple of minutes. Okay, it's completely booted. Now our emulator is completely booted, and it has Windows 7. Sorry, extremely sorry. This is not Windows. It is Android 7. Then we have already downloaded the free file. Download free file. Open Play Store. Play Store and then sign in. Sign in. Sign in. If you want to know how to sign in here, please comment. If I got any comment, I will make another video. Search free file. Download it from here. I hope you know how to download it from here. I have already downloaded. If you want to download it from Max, you can also do. But here I don't have Max option there because my country FIFA Max is not supported. Okay, for download FIFA Max, open Google Chrome and click on accept and continue. Set up your Google Chrome. Okay, setup done. Search FIFA Max. FIFA Max. Now it's here, and then click on the download, and here is it. This item isn't available in your country. If I got connected or you got connected a VPN with Singapore server, you can easily download it. Okay, so if you want to download FIFA Max, comment below. I will guide you, and I will tell you how to download it, or I will make you another video. So now I will start Free Fire. game. Here is the entire keyframe for Free Fire, and you can modify your um, keyframing on your choice. I will tell you, Amane. Um, Here is the entire keyframing. You can modify this, you can change it, you can delete this on your choice. This is completely your choice. I suggest switch to advanced to general's option. Advanced to general. Okay, save it. I hope my Free Fire is crashed. I Yep. I will cut it and another window. I will relaunch it. Um, One cause of this problem is version of my PC is low end because I have low in the GPU, low in CPU. CPU is 36 gen. And I have a graphic card like NVIDIA GeForce GT 710. So a normal low end graphic card 2 GBs. Uh, it will take two couples of a minute. Two couples. Here is it. The next menu of please wait there. Okay, we are here. Okay. Now, Free Fire is made booted. The boot of Free Fire is completely complete. New ID. This is a new ID. I have changed the display option from there because I have a mid-range no low end PC. Okay. Now I will start a game. Okay. Okay, now I'll start a game. Clicking a start, and the speed time is 10 seconds, but overall it's take 2 3 4 5 seconds. It all takes 2 5 6 7 seconds. Okay. So wait a little bit. 5 4 3 2 1. It's okay. Now we are here. We are not playing. That's it. I want to end my video on here. If you want to download GTA 5 in free, completely free. Um, that is a repack version of GTA 5, or you will got a version of GTV. I'll show you in the next video. Bye bye.